Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing some more fingerspelling practice. Let's get started. As you may already know, fingerspelling can be a real challenge sometimes, and that's why it's so important to get in as much practice as possible. So the past few weeks I've been putting together these fingerspelling practice videos so you can get in that practice as much as possible. And I actually want to give a shout out to Swank Curls for being the first person in last week's video to answer all three names correctly first. And if you're the first one to answer all three names in this video, I'll be sure to give you a shout out in the next practice video. But with all that said, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to fingerspell three names at three different speeds: fast, medium, and slow. Here's the first name. Again. And one more time. If you understood that name, go ahead and pause the video and put the answer down in the comments down below. And here's the second name. Again. One more time. If you understood that name, go ahead and pause the video again and put your answer down in the comments down below. And here comes the last name. Again. And one more time. If you understood that last name, go ahead and pause the video one last time and go ahead and put your answer down in the comments down below. And if you're looking for some more fingerspelling practice and you happen to miss my first two videos, I'll go ahead and put a link up in the card and also down in the description down below where you can watch those videos. Also down in the description, I'll include some links to my previous lessons and interviews and tips and tricks on learning the language. And also I have some videos about sign language interpreting. So if you are interested in that, I'll be sure to include that up in the card up above. And also I'll leave those down in the description down below as well. So if you found value in this video at all, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, you can go visit our Patreon page and go check out some of our exclusive content. So with all of that said, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep on learning. Until next time, I'll see you later. So I'm going to put a link, so I'll make sure to include a link in a card up above.